Hi, welcome to Ice Girlie's channel. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy our videos. And let's start playing. Enjoy! Hey guys, so today I'm going to play boat ride, I think. So what we will do, we're gonna ride there and let's try to go to, and so it says, OMG, I heard if you finish you get a free, and then do not save it, okay? No one save this. It's not a bad word, it's just not something nice to say. So, no, I really want to go. Oh, there's one more spot. Yes! I got that spot. The back is usually bumpiest. So, let me just be honest here. I did play this game before. I might have almost went to the end before. But this game is fun, so why can't we, like, maybe this time I can play it again, but instead I record now. And everyone wants to be here because there's so many people. Well, I'm actually like on the girl who has Robux in this bowl. It's okay. I like her avatar too, honestly. And her avatar is unique and interesting, I would say. Like, someone who's a fan of that type. So now we're here. The captain is don't not go on top of me. The captain is Doja Cake 34, and then here we have Aizen Amciar. 02. That's such random names, kind of. Celestes Mute, Mirror Song, Mirror. Oh my gosh, maybe I won't read their names. There's a bear! Run for your life. Humo does not chase you. I'm so scared these people will just go on top of us. Okay, I'm glad. I'm so happy, but today, I'm not gonna go on top of us. I played this game before. And do you know what happens? When a boat goes on top of you, or the boat does not move for such a long time, do you know what happens? Everyone on the boat dies. When a boat goes on top of you, what happens is that the people who got under the boat dies. Okay, so now we're gonna. I know what will happen. I don't want to spoil that. So, I hope. Well, like at least my hat didn't fall off because I can't move my arms to hold my hat. Okay, can we please? Okay, now let me just read the rest. Murasog. It's so bumpy. So we have Murasog, May P2, Isaac Jimenez, 39, Ice Cream Hard One, that is me, and Pop. And I guess someone just left. And I really forgot his name. Why did he just get out? Maybe he just respawned because he did not like this boat. Maybe these two. I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe we're fighting with chat. I really can't see the chat because some reasons, some reasons that no one needs to know. Now, oh my gosh, this is so steep. This is so steep. It's so steep and dark. Why is this cave so dark? Well, trust me. Later, later, if we do make it, it will be even darker. Cause I'm not trying to spoil it, but it's just a warning. Ah, okay, now we're in. I guess now we're in Egypt, cause there's pyramids. So where can we? Where else can we be? Does other countries have pyramids? I actually don't know, but the only country I know that has pyramids is Egypt. Maybe other countries do have pyramids. Maybe the country next to Egypt. I don't know. I really don't know. Only thing I know is that Egypt have pyramids. So now we're gonna go in the thing. Okay. Wee! And at least my hat didn't fall off. And my earrings are so stiff. Is that the correct word? And my hair is also I my hair is not and nothing is falling off because I put it a special type of glue. I put it hair gel on my lots and lots of hair gel in my hair, and I put the glue and everything to not fall off. So maybe that's why. But I just feel like now. Oh no! Please! Ow! 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 My head is literally sliding. It's kind of through the glass. It's literally through the glass. Ow, 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 ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, finally. Oh my god, this is so fast. No, don't take us. Don't. Yeah, wow. They used the ropes. What's next? Look at I found that little thing on the sky. This thing, not little. Yeah, I knew this would happen. This is so weird. I find this so funny, kind of. In this part, it says like "Happy birthday to you, Happy birthday to you, Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Happy birthday to you." Well, I don't know. Do you know? It's actually my second time recording because I just heard this randomly in the background. Not here, like I was earlier in this, and so that's I kind of recorded. Actually, this is the second time I'm recording. Okay. Yeah, this is the part I was talking about. It was just super dark, and there's a place where the girl just jumped off. Ow. Mm. Okay. You can see the smoke in there. I really do not know where we are. It's so dark. Give us a bit of light. I'm for real. I don't know where anything is. I only know that we are here. Oh my gosh, we stuff are creepy. I remember how. Oh, this is actually kind of cute. Okay, not anymore. When I see my hand sticking. I might actually blur these out because these. Yeah, I was literally alone when I came into this part, so. Okay, I'm for real blurring this out. I'm gonna definitely blur this. These are so creepy. If you want to see them, I'll just show you the game at the end, okay? Watch to the end and for me to show you what, what game it is, okay? When is not gonna be so dark? Oh my gosh. Yeah, for real, I'm gonna blur that too. This is just okay. That's yeah, I'm blurring that too. Okay. I have lots of stuff to blur, but this is a part I kind of went inside there. But okay. I remember when I went here, but I was literally all alone when I was here. Literally, the creepy part, I was alone. I don't think. Oh no! Please. Why? Yes. Did someone like? Maybe, maybe I got some luck because someone liked. Okay, we're going forward. Yay. Okay, now we're. Yes, I'm enjoying this ride very much, except into one part. Wee! Yeah, I remember this. Yeah, I kind of remember this part. No, why am I upside down? Okay, I won't be soaking wet by the end of the day. Yay! I don't know if this is the end or not, because I did not get any prize. Or maybe this is a prize. I don't know, but I think at the time what happened that I lost my boat. Yeah, I did not even survive. That's all. I think I just lost my boat. I don't remember why though. Ah! Ah! I'm swinging. This is a why do they always use these ropes? I'm not sure. Oh my gosh. Why? 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 Why does this have to happen?